Who are they? And what do they want from me?
Papaya, those people are more than as you see them. They are spiritually inclined. They are spiritually acquainted. You can't fight them ordinarily.
Then, how can I fight them?
Papaya! You can give the body, but you cannot give the soul and the spirit. I could show you why. Then they got me nature. Are you listening, man? I chopped the bag of granite. Only me. Hey, you got me 50.
Now maybe that 50 that granite and my own they poison me. You know if you chop poison, if you chop poison, you go wow. Now dead you go meet. My name is Papaya.
Mother of the 7 river goddess, your daughter is here. I need more powers. The strange young man seems to be powerful. I need more powers. Hey, Zewai! I need your powers.
Get that one down! Wait, Papaya, and the guy, then they chase me with gun.
With guns?
Yes.
What is it?
You, which daughter of Ezewai, Can't you get tired of fighting a battle you know that you can never win? Whoa! I wait for Kitty! Now you want to go to Millie Busalo?
Are you sure you are ready for what is coming after you?
Papaya!